guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a little review and packing video today on the JuJuBe mini backpack. I did receive this yesterday and I immediately kind of loved it. I thought it was a really cute size. The materials feel really nice. It was a very positive first impression of this bag, and I did take it out today and we went for a walk with all my kids, so I did pack it up for things for that outing with a couple of extras just in case we stopped at a cafe or something and had a coffee. So, and it did fit everything that I usually take in my bags when I go out with, say, 1 to 2 to 3 kids. So I was really impressed with it. So we'll just start with the outside of the bag first. So this is a PU or faux leather material on the outside. This is an olive green here and then a black down the bottom. I really do like the two-tone color of the bag. I think it looks really nice in these particular colors. The JuJuBe logo up here, it's kind of, it's not embossed, it's raised up off the actual faux leather, and I think it will last pretty well. It feels like a plastic material that's put on there, but I think it looks really subtle and really classy. I don't think it looks ostentatious or gaudy at all. The zippers down the bottom here are really nice. They're a black zipper, and these zipper pulls do feel kind of sturdy. They're not flimsy or anything like that, and the zip is very smooth. Didn't have any issues getting in and out of the bag with the zippers. So in the front pocket here, I just have a couple of things. Now I just wanted to say I do like how this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, opposed to the Forever backpack that kind of had a gap. I thought that looked really odd. I really like how they designed this. It went all the way down here, and even though it's quite a big pocket here, I only have 2 things in there. I have my iPhone 10 and then I have my keys. Now I would have preferred not to put my keys and my iPhone into one pocket because I'm afraid of the keys scratching the screen and things like that. So I would have appreciated maybe a cell phone pocket somewhere on the bag, or even a key hook on the inside. There isn't anything specifically on this bag for your keys, so that was the only place I could really think of putting both items that were easily accessible. I mean, it worked, but I would have preferred maybe to have them separated out in other places in the bag. So the lining in the inside is this gray kind of silvery color. It's really nice and light and pretty. There aren't any bottle pockets on this bag, which is fine. I'm not a big bottle pocket on the side bag anyway. Okay, so moving on to the back here, this faux leather handle is really nice. It's a stiffer material, so it's really easy to grab and find. Do appreciate that. The backpack straps do have a little bit of padding to them, which is good. I prefer that to just the seatbelt material. I do find it is a bit more comfortable, and this was very comfortable wearing it. I will pop some on the body pictures at the end of the video so you guys can kind of see how it looks on me. I'm 5'9" and about the size 10 US, I think, and I found it very comfortable, and it's not on the shortest or longest setting. It's kind of, you've still got some room right here to make it a little longer if you're taller. It didn't feel too compact on my back like the Mini Bee does, I have to say that, and but maybe a little not as kind of roomy as the Be Packed, so it's kind of in between those, I feel. So that's really nice. There aren't any feet on the bottom. It's a plain bottom of the bag, but that's it for the outside. So I will pop the camera up so we can have a look on the inside. So the backpack does open on the main section with 2 zipper pulls, which is really nice, and again, really nice hardware. I find the hardware on this bag very sturdy, as I said before, not flimsy, and it's very easy to grab. So the zippers are smooth on each side, and I think the zipper material here is like an olive green, and then the actual zipper is black, so that's quite nice. And it does open up about halfway down the bag, or 3/4 of the way down, and it opens up quite well, I think. I can see everything in my bag really easy, and it worked really well for me. The lining on this has a pattern. I'm not sure if you can see that. I did do an unboxing, so I'll put the link up above for that so you guys can see maybe a better view of that. But there is a pattern on the bag right there, which is good, and it does kind of fold down like that so you can easily see everything. This zipper pull back here on this little zipper pocket is a faux leather, which I discovered today because I had the paper still on it from when I opened it. I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. And in this little zipper pocket here, I just have a coin purse. This isn't the biggest pocket. It only goes down about the length of my fingers, so not too far down, and I can fit a coin purse in there. And this just has my hairbrush and hair ties and things, but not the biggest pocket. It doesn't go all the way down the bag or anything, but it, you know, it does the job. So just on top, I've got 2 little toys from McDonald's because we went there after we did our walk and everything. And then there are two other pockets at the back here, and in this pocket I have a small set piece with my lipstick and lip gloss and such in there. And then on the other side I have a hand sanitizer and another small set piece with my mummy make kit things. And then the rest of the things are in the center. So those are the only pockets on the inside, but that worked fine for me. So I do have a small drink bottle on this side. This is a Sunny Life flask. And then the other things I have in the center here is a small Be Organized just with some LOL toys for my girls, just in case we went to a cafe or somewhere to sit and eat. We didn't need those though in the end, but still. Then I have my Cash Pack by Rough and Tumble, which is my wallet that I'm using right now. And then a mini wipe pouch with just small wipes that you can buy from the grocery store. And that's it. So that's just the inside of the mini backpack. So it's very simple, but I feel like it does the job, and it's nice and compact and it's comfy, and I think it just looks really nice. It's a earthy kind of look for me, and I love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please pop them below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.